Guys, today we'll start looking into assignment operator. So there's one of the operators that we would like to have a look at. So there are various type of assignment operator. Okay, this looks good. Yeah. So what is assignment operator? Assignment operator. Uh, equal to symbol is defined as an assignment operator. So if you see this particular symbol equal to symbol, uh, let me write it once again. I've deleted it. So equal to symbol in Python is an assignment operator. Yeah. Now, the value of a Python expression on its right is assigned. So if I say a equals to 10, so on the right, if on the right is 10, so 10 is assigned to a. Yeah. So the equals to symbol, as in programming in general, should not be confused with the one with mathematics. So, yeah, it's very easy to confuse it with it. Yeah. Where it states that the expression on the either side of the symbol are equal, which is not the case in Python. For example, let me take you through one example. So if I say a equals to 10, that means I have assigned 10 as a value to a. So that is assignment. So and equals to is an assignment operator. Same way, if I say a equals to a plus b, this means this means I am adding A and B, that is 10 and 5. And again, I am assigning this value of this addition, the total, to A. And I am printing it. So the value should be 15. Yes? Now, at the first instance, at least for somebody new to programming but who knows maths, a statement A equals to A plus B would look strange, na? Yeah. So how could you would say how could be a b equals to a plus b? However, it needs to be emphasized that equals to symbol is an assignment operator here, not used to show the equality of left hand side to right hand side as in case of mathematics. Yeah, because it is an assignment operator, the expression on right evaluates to 15 in the above code that we have written. Yeah, and the value is assigned to A again. So A is an assignment operator. Yes. Now in Python, uh, in a statement, we can have augmented assignment operators in Python as well. Now, what is I'll just get a text here. I'll say this is a new context for your people where augmented assignment operators. Yeah. Now, what is augmented assignment operator? Now, in addition to a simple assignment operator, which is equal to which you have seen right now, Python provides few more assignment operators for advanced use. Now, they are called cumulative or they are called cumulative. They are also called cumulative operator. Yeah. Why I say cumulative operator? We'll see this in the next uh, various augmented operators. Now we shall learn to use augmented assignment operators defined in Python. Now Python has augmented assignment operator for all arithmetic and comparison operators. So all kind of arithmetic and comparison operators do have augmented assignments. Now uh, Python augmented assignment operator combines addition and assignment in one statement. Yes. So it considers addition and assignment in one statement. Okay. So we need to take care of it when we are working on this kind of operator. However, the type now since Python supports mixed arithmetic, the two operands may be of different types. However, the type of left operand changes to operand on the right. It is wider. Yeah. Now, how it is? Let's see some of the augmented operators. Uh, Now, there are various types of augmented, different types of augmented assignment. Yeah. Now, what are different types of? It could be an augmented addition. Yes. It could be augmented subtraction. It could be augmented multiplication. It could be augmented division. Augmented modulus operator. We can have augmented, what else? Exponent. These are all arithmetic operators we know about them. Yeah. Now these are how they become augmented. We'll see it. Augmented floor division. So these are various type of augmented assignments in Python. Now let's check them one by one. Yeah. So let's first see uh, augmented addition operator. Now, how it is written? Augmented addition operator. So this is augmented addition. So it is plus equals to. Why this is called augmented addition? Let's see this. Now we'll see some of the examples where we'll help understand this augmented. So let me first create an assignment. So A equals to 10 and A equals to 5, which we have earlier assigned. Yeah. Now let's try to give an augmented. So we'll say print, or I'll say A plus equals to B. Now this is same as A equals to A plus B. So we are eradicating this A in between. Yeah. And we are saying A is getting added to B. Yes. So this is called augmented. This saves time. Yeah. And improves the efficiency of your coding as well. Yeah. Now, if I try to print the type of A, yeah. Let's see what is the type of A. It is integer. Yeah. And A is 10, which we have seen here. Okay, I have to A, we have to say B. So let's once again run this. B equals to 5, it should come as 15. The output should be 15. We missed that, yeah. Now there's an augmented this is augmented, what you can say. This is augmented addition of int and an int number. Both are int here. Yeah. A is also 10 and B is 5, which are integers. Let's see something else. Let's see an addition of int and a float. Yeah. Int and float. Yes. So I make it 5.5. Yes. Let's see what happens. So it gives me 15.5 and the class is float. So it has changed the A type from integer to float. Yes. Let's see with a float and a complex number. So if I make this 10.5 0, and then make this 5 plus 6j, which is a complex number. Yeah, I'll say complex and a float number. Yeah. So this is how you can, let's see the complex number, how it does. So you can see this, it has added up this complex number. So this is how the output takes place in augmented addition. Yes. Now let's understand augmented subtraction. Okay. Now augmented subtraction, let's use the same formula as above. So we'll just need to replace the addition or the plus symbol with minus. So we need to replace this with minus. Yeah. And this is augmented subtraction. We'll try to use the same type of formulas. We'll try to use this int and int. Let's see what it gives. We just need to change the formulas a bit, and then we'll augmented subtraction of int and int type. Okay, let me run. Okay, a equals to a minus b. Yeah, let's run this. Well, let's see what happens. So we can see the result is here, and the class is int. So it keeps the integer type as it is unless and until we do it with a float instance. So let's do it with float again as we did for addition. So 5.5, I'm doing an augmented subtraction, and now it is with a float. There is one int and one float. So let's see what is the answer. We can see 4.5. Now this is a float. Yes. So this is how the augmented subtractions takes place. Let's see with a complex number as we did earlier. So I'll make it 10.50 and I'll make this 5 plus 6j. Yes. Let's see what happens. So it should give me a complex class. Yes, you can see this. Yeah, because the output is a complex number. Great. Sounds great and pretty easy. Like we are not doing anything. We are just replacing a particular variable in an equation to make the formula a bit shorter and more professional. Yeah. Let's try it with multiplication this time. So multiplication, and here it would be a star symbol. Yes. Let's try it with an int right now, two integers. We have 10 and 5 once again. Let's have this multiplication star. We need to write here as multiplication of int and int. This is equivalent to a into b. So a equals to a into b. This is same as we are seeing the augmented multiplication. Let's see the output. It should give an integer once again. Yes. Let's try with an int and a float number. So again, I'll make this 5.5. Yeah. Let's see what is the answer. So it will be a float as we have assumed, as we guessed. Let's start with a complex number this time. So I'll have a complex and a float. And a float. So I need to make this a bit complex. So 0.50. We are using the same value so that you can easily understand what is happening. Yeah, a into b, we are doing a multiplication of a complex with a float. Yeah, or we can, this time let's change it a bit. Let's make it a complex both of them are as complex. So I'll make 3 plus 4j. Yeah. Okay. Now the augmented multiplication, what we are doing is complex to complex. Yes. Let's do the multiplication. See what happens. Yes. We can see this. So there is a complex multiplication that has happened as well. Okay. So the rules of multiplication will be applicable as we have seen in the multiplication of previous arithmetic uh, operators. So you need to be careful while this as well. So the rules of multiplication will apply here as well. So if I try to multiply by 0, it will give you 0. Yeah. So that needs to be taken care of. Now let's start with division. Now division way, instead of star, it will have a forward slash. Yes, forward slash equals to. Let's do it with the same data as we had earlier, int and int. Yeah, let's change the value. This is equivalent to a divided by b, or a forward slash equals to b. Yeah, I think everything is okay now. Let me, okay, division. Yeah, everything is right. Okay, let's run this. Here you can see it is a float because it is a division. Remember the rule of the arithmetic operators again. I will not remind this again and again because ultimately when you do a division, it is always a float value that will come into picture. So your class would be a float. Yeah. So let's go int and a float. That's right. Okay. Let's see. You get this, and it's a float. Let's copy the complex part again. Let's see what happens if we do the division with a complex number. Yes, division, two complex numbers. We need to have forward slash again. Yes, so we divide A by B and let's see what happens. So it's a complex type. We can see this, and it's a complex number over here which has come as an answer. Yes. The next in the list that we need to see in assignment operator is modulus. Yes, modular is denoted by a percentage sign equals to. So this is modulus operator. Modulus operator. Let's try it with int. Yeah, and int. Okay, which we have used for multiplication. Yes. So we have modulus plus of int and int. Again, we are using the same way as we are used for multiplication. It is same as what we did here. Let's see what is the answer. This is for modulus operator, augmented modulus operator. So it's an int. Yeah, because 5 divided by 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So you get the remainder as 0. Yes. So this is how the modulus, augmented modulus, and the rules of, again, I am reminding this again and again because you need to remember the rules that we had for the arithmetic operators like plus, minus, modulus, division, and all. So you need to be very careful while doing all these things because the rules would be the same as we had for arithmetic operator. So it is a float here. Yes, this was an int because the remainder was 0 and we had both the integers. Yes, so this was augmented modulus operator. Now to perform modulus assignment operation in single statement, use percentage equals to operator as we have used right now. Yeah. Now the last operator in assignment operators that you need to know is of exponent. Uh, exponent is written by double star sign, which is this way. Yeah. Double star equals to operator results in a raised to b and assign the value back to a. Yes. So how it is done? Let's again use the same examples that we had, like the int and int. Both the values are int, where our a and b both are integers. Uh, we are using right now is exponent, and we have used the modulus part. So exponent, let me do the formatting first. We need to have the double star. Yeah. Yeah. This is a equals to, this particular statement is same as a equals to a exponent of b, as we have seen in the arithmetic operators. Yeah. So I'm not repeating this again and again because these are the things which you have already seen in arithmetic operators. Yeah. Let's try with a int and a float this time. Let's make pi as 5.5. Yes. Yeah. So the output is a float. Yes. Let's try it with a complex formula. So let's have a complex number. We'll have two complex numbers. 10 plus 11j. I'll make it 5.5 plus 7j. Yeah. Again, it is just equivalent to a equals to exponent of a raised to b. Yes, we have a complex type which has come up. Yes. So this was exponent. Now the last topic on our assignment operator that you need to know is about floor division, which is in arithmetic, if you remember, it is represented by double forward slash. Yeah. Let's try it. Try the first one with two ints. Yeah. Two integers. It is floor division. Yes. Write it properly so that tomorrow if I share this with you, this is augmented for floor division of int and int. So if I say instead of double star, I had double forward slash, this is again equivalent to a double forward slash b. Yes. Let's see what is the answer. So it is an integer. So the output of an integer, two integers are integers. Let's try it with a float. Int and a float. Yes. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I have written it. Augmented floor division of int and a float. Let's see what happens. So it gives me a float. Yes. So this are various types of assignment operators. You know, assignment is normally done by equals to sign. Yes. And augmented assignments are the one which you need to know for further processing or higher processing in your Python assignments. Yes. Next, in the topic, we'll learn logical operators. Yeah. Thanks as of now.